The summer's calling.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how I decorate my background. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope that you all are staying safe and taking good care of yourselves. Okay, so let's get right in the video. So you guys, this wallpaper you see here, my husband picked this up from Walmart. Actually it wasn't supposed to be here. I used it for a project in my home and this is what was left from that. I just thought I should bring it here and I like it so far. I actually filmed a video using this background, but I want something else. I'm gonna be fixing the string lights and I will be fixing something else on this other side. Like this is where I'll fix the string lights, and this other side of the wall is where I'm gonna fix up what I picked up from Homegoods. A sheer curtain, one pack, looks like this for the curtain as well. Looks like this as well. I already opened the pack. I read a lot of reviews about people saying it didn't come well packed, but mine came well packed. I guess I got lucky. I forgot to mention I picked all of this from Amazon. I love Amazon. Okay, so you guys, I had to put this on the floor so you can see how I will be fixing this before I take it up there. I feel like you might not really see what I will be doing. The string lights that I picked up that I have already laid on the floor looks longer than the rail. This rail that I have here, it looks longer. So I'm just gonna zoom and show you what I'm going to be doing. So since it's obviously shorter, the rail, since it's shorter than the string lights, if I fix it the way it comes, I'm gonna have a lot of string lights falling off, and there's gonna be a lot of space in the lights when I fix it. I don't know if I make sense. So when I grab onto the light, the string, like so, I'm going to like between here, like between here to here, here to here, where you see this space and the ring light, sorry, and the string light itself, I'm gonna do this. Hold on, I'm gonna do this on the wall, like up there on the wall, and I would have these two lights closer to each other, like so. Then having it that, like having it this wide.
The summer's calling.
Okay guys, I've got the alcohol.
The summer's calling. If the kingdom is overthrown, meet me at the cornerstone. I know that I can't be without you. This bond is solid gold. We're a diamond and an emerald. It took me forever to find you. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you in every way. Now we've been.
This net that I have here, I have two of this. I'm thinking about using this or this. I do have this little pin here. I want to use that for the middle side, like where this curtain and this one meets. I don't like the way it looks open, so I want to like close it up so that way it looks nice. you guys, this is how this turned out. I hope it was helpful to you. If you are just starting out on YouTube and you don't want to spend a lot of money, or maybe you're on a low budget, or even if you're on a high budget, okay, I would prefer you just do this, because this was so inexpensive. Like, everything I spent was not even up to $30 for this. So I went to Homegoods and I picked up a few items from Homegoods for the background. So I picked up this cute frame right here. It says, "A smile is the best makeup any girl can wear. Marilyn Monroe." Okay, so this I paid $14.99. Like, I saw it, I just picked it up without even checking the price. It was when I was trying to pay for this, that was when I figured that it's $14.99. But I just love what is written on here, and the design, the gold, the white, green, pink, it was so attractive in the store. I had to pick it up. Next thing I picked up is this cute painting right here. So pretty, I love this. This one I paid $24.99 for this one. And this is another one, very affordable. I picked it for $9.99, and it says, "The best is yet to come." I really love this. And this one, it says, "Enjoy the little things." I also picked this up for $9.99. $9.99, you guys.
The summer's calling. The summer's calling. If the kingdom is overthrown, meet me at the cornerstone. I know that I can't be without you. This bond is solid gold. We're a diamond and an emerald. It took me forever to find